Hey y'all, happy Vlogmas day 2. It is Black Friday and I am on my way to work. I have not worked a Black Friday in 4 years, so this is gonna be fun. But at least I didn't have to go in crazy early or anything like that. I'm just working my normal shift, so I'm hoping that it won't be as crazy because people are mean on Black Friday. And I am working at the Ulta over by Hamilton Place, and traffic over there is always crazy just in general, but for the rest of the year it is going to be a nightmare. I can't remember if I have said on a vlog yet. I feel like I have, but just in case I haven't, or just in case y'all missed it, I am working for Tarte Cosmetics again. My official title is a sales and education trainer, so it's pretty much a sales rep. So I go to different Ultas and I just help people with Tarte. So I don't work for Ulta or Sephora, I work directly for Tarte. So if someone needs a color match in Tarte, or if they're just looking for new makeup, I share Tarte with them. And it has been one of my favorite brands since high school. So I have been using it for years. That's actually why I wanted to work for Tarte in the first place, because I could never sell a brand that I didn't already love and use. I just never could do that. Same thing with my channel. I could never promote a product that I didn't use and love to y'all. So anytime I share anything, just know that it is going to be my honest opinion. And if I ever do get paid for anything, to share anything, it will be something that I love. So I hope y'all know that. I've said that before, but I always like to share because I have my couple of influencers that I feel like I can trust, and I know that they're not just selling to be selling. I want to be that person for y'all, or one of the people for y'all that y'all trust my opinion and know that I'm not just sharing it to get money. But enough about that. I already lost my train of thought. Squirrel. What was I saying? Oh, working for Tarte. So I worked for Tarte for 3 years before the Rona. And then I got laid off because the stores shut down. So obviously there wasn't anywhere for me to go. So got laid off. And then I ended up not going back. I just wanted to focus on my content creating, but I needed some human interaction. So I decided to come back. I think May is when I officially started. I think I started the paperwork and everything in April. And then I came back in May, I'm pretty sure. So since I am working, I doubt I will do any shopping. I do plan on getting at least one thing. So my favorite foundation, which happens to be a Tarte foundation, is on sale today. It is 50% off. So I think I am going to restock on that. And then I'm just gonna see what else is on sale. So if I get anything else after work, I will do a little haul. But I need to finish my part 2 Florida vlog. I was like, I don't know what else I have to do, but yeah, I need to finish that. But yeah, that's all I really have today is work, edit. So this might just be a short talking vlog. I might set y'all up where you can kind of see the editing process, but we shall see. Hopefully I will have a little Ulta haul for y'all, but I probably won't find anything else, so it'll probably just be the Found Sealer. But I'll just show you all that anyway because it is my favorite foundation, and I'll just talk a little bit about that. But yeah, I'm going to finish driving to work, and then I will probably see y'all at home. Ignore the mess around me, behind me. I'm gonna try and clean up this room. Actually, I need to clean the whole house, so I don't know when I'm gonna do that. I was gonna do it Sunday, but we have another Thanksgiving on Sunday, so probably Monday, because it's kind of stressing me out. But I didn't end up getting anything at Ulta because the line was super long all day, and then I did think about doing store to door and then just pick it up before I left, but I think I'm just gonna order online. But I did get a couple packages in the mail today that I thought that I would show y'all, so I'm very excited about this one. It's from Amazon. It wasn't on sale or anything. Hopefully it's focusing, but it is a little seashell. So I don't know how you say the brand, but they have different ones. But I, of course, wanted the seashell, and I don't know if y'all can see, but I have a seashell on my sweatshirt. But it says, "Happiness is not a destination, it's a way of life. Put this necklace on, make a wish, and your wish will become true." And then I have no idea what is in this one, but it is from Pixie. So Pixie actually sends me stuff, I feel like once a month. And that's what this is. I never know what I'm getting. I never know when I'm gonna get something. But I really love all the products that they have sent. Your Path to Radiance. Look how pretty. Oh, I love all that. Okay, so this is like an illuminating primer. Maybe one day of Vlogmas, I will try all these products for y'all. I cannot get this one out of the box. Oh, it was like stuck. Endless Shade Stick. Yeah, so it's an eyeshadow stick and it is pink. And then a moisturizing lip color in the shade Primrose. So that looks pretty. So just like a little hydrating lipstick, it looks like. And then I think just like a plumping gloss in a pretty pale pink color. Since I don't really have anything else to film today, let me go ahead and swatch this shadow stick because I am actually excited about that. Okay, so it's kind of a, I don't know if y'all are going to be able to see because this lighting in here is bad, but it's more of a rose gold, so that's actually really pretty. For some reason I was expecting it to be more pinky, but I mean, if y'all can see on the lid, I mean, that does look rose gold. Okay, this is pretty. A really pretty red, and it does feel very hydrating. So that will be a good like Christmas balm if you want a red lip but don't want it to be too bold, like a lipstick. It looks clear. I don't know if y'all can see. Yeah, I don't know if y'all will be able to see it. I think y'all can kind of see like the shiny, but yeah, it looks kind of clear. But that's okay because a clear gloss is good to have. So yeah, got this and my necklace, so at least I have had something to show y'all. But I had to switch up my Florida vlogs because part 2, let's see, I think it was like 40, I think up to 44 minutes, but I did have a couple of talking sections that I had to go through and condense, but that was without the beach villa tour. So I decided to do the beach villa tour separate. That way it has its own video, and then do part 2. So I'm going to put that up today and then probably part 2 up next week. So I'm not sure if part 2 will be up by the time y'all are watching this, but if not now, then it will be up this week. But part 1 and the villa tour will be up by the time y'all are watching this video. But before I put this off any longer or ramble anymore, I'm going to go ahead and end today's vlog. And yeah, I will see y'all tomorrow for day 3.